Well, I had a really good night's sleep last night. I needed that. My headache has subsided. I think it was due to that heavy smoke there in Spokane. Anyway, it's a nice, beautiful morning this morning. Still a little smoky. We did get some rain last night. I woke up to hear some rain on the roof. Nice to wake up right next to the river here. The train did go by on these tracks across the river some point last night. Heard that go by. And yeah, it's just been awesome. Awesome to be back out here on the road, camping in the woods. Loving it. So I'm probably going to go take a walk down to the river and just chill out for a little bit and get back on the road. Well, it is a little deceiving in the mornings. I noticed this in Washington too. You see all this kind of haze and think, oh, it's just morning fog. And then it just never burns off because it's actually smoke. Sure, there's a little bit of fogginess mixed in, but mostly smoke. Well, it is already about 8 a.m. I really should get rolling. I'm going to mix up a quick breakfast here. And just been checking my email. I've gotten a ton of emails, people interested in the trail bike I have for sale. So I'm just going to take it whoever's first in my route along my way, and someone happens to be lined right up, I'm going to be passing through their town. So it's about 2 hours from here. I've got about a 3-hour total drive today, so about 2 hours in I'm going to stop in their town, see if they're interested. And it sounds like they're very interested, and hopefully I'll be able to unload it there. And then I'll probably stock up on groceries and then continue on to Glacier National Park. Just got a text from Kelly. She's up there already and is going into the park today for a hike. So we'll try to meet towards the end of the day and hopefully the next couple days spend some time in the park and do some hiking and see where we go from there. Well, for breakfast I'm just doing up a quick little egg sandwich. Just getting my bread toasted here on my little trivet. And my secret to trying to get a good sunny side up egg is just to add a little bit of water and then cover it. That kind of lets it steam. That way you don't have to flip it. Usually turns out perfect. Well, this is my latest carving creation here. This is out of alder wood. I made a spreader, broke away from my normal spoons, and I've been using this to spread stuff like peanut butter and mayo for sandwiches. Made it nice and thick and strong so it can handle the thick peanut butter stirring and such. It's been working out really great. Love it. Alright, let's see how well my cast iron skillet is seasoned here. Look at that. Slides right out. Yeah. Okay, let's roll on out of here. I had to give my windshield a good cleaning there. It had a residue of ash all over it from the smoke. Oh, it's so awesome to be out here. I love waking up out in the woods. So cool. Yeah, that Clark Fork River is a nice wide river. Be a great place to go upstream a little ways and launch a kayak, come down a little bit if you had another person for a chase vehicle. Oh, looks like I had neighbors. I didn't hear a peep out of them. This drive is epic. Oh my gosh, I had no idea what I was getting myself into. This is amazing. Highway 135. Yeah. I just wish it wasn't so smoky. Get a better view. Alright, we're coming into Kalispell, Montana. Cool little downtown strip. Alright, the trail bike is sold. I knew that'd be pretty easy. It worked out. There was someone who right in my route on the way to Glacier that was interested. Here we are doing the what is this, the Highland Trail?
Highline.
Highline?
I think.
Kelly's taking pictures of goats. It's a little foggy today, so...
A little moist.
A little damp. But you just use your imagination. There's an epic vista right here. And then this way too. And some hills. And then Kelly. She's the real here. A little bit of clearing from the fog. Trail is cutting along this ridge line here. You can see a little bit of the road down there. Well, the rain's let up for a little bit. I'm gonna stop for a little lunch break. This viewpoint here. And I think, what are we, 5 miles in? 5 to go?
We're just over 6 miles in.
6 miles, 5 to go? 6
Yep.
to go? All right. There it is, there's our little clearing.
Cool.
Now we're starting to get a little bit more rain. You can see my van way down there. That is my van right on that bend there. We just got a couple more miles to go. Well, we're almost there. It's starting to rain again. Well, we're just about back to the parking lot. That makes, what, 11 something miles?
Almost 12, yeah.
Rain let up for a little bit for us a couple times. Alright, so here's the route we took. We started at Logan Pass. We dropped my van off here, and then we drove up in Kelly's van. And then we took this trail, 11.8 miles, all the way around. My van should be hiding over here somewhere.
We hope.
Alright, we made it back to the van. Well, we're making our way down the mountain here in Glacier National Park. Kind of a wet, rainy day. So we'll try to find a camp here as soon as possible and kick back for the rest of the day. As we continue on through Glacier National Park. right, I am pretty whooped from the hike, so it is time to find a camp. I'm gonna go try to head into some national forest and see what we can find. Well, I see water through the trees and it looks real pretty. It's like emerald green water. See some signage up here. Looks like a vehicle. See what's down here. Hopefully there's enough room to turn around. Yeah. Pull right down here. Look at that, right on the water. Room for Kelly in front of me. We'll call that a camp. Well, check this out. Nice little lakefront spot. The water is like emerald green. That'll work. We'll just park sideways here so we got our vans facing the water. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry we couldn't get any better footage for you from Glacier National Park, but it was just socked in with fog and rain, so it's the way it goes sometimes. Anyway, I hope you're all doing well out there, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Peace.